Feeling overwhelmed trying to post on every platform consistently? You're not the only one. Most creators and business owners waste hours each week just figuring out what to post next. But here's the good news. You can plan a full month of content in under an hour using free AI tools. In fact, content batching boosts productivity by over 60% and reduces decision fatigue. Because when your ideas are planned and ready, you don't fall behind or post random stuff. Let's walk through how to build a full social media calendar using AI step by step. First, start by choosing 3 to 5 content pillars or themes for the month. These could be tips, personal stories, testimonials, product promos, or FAQ. AI works better when it has structure. That's why themes keep your brand voice consistent. Next, open the Social Content Planner tool inside AI Creator Max. Tell it your content themes, goals, and target audience in a few simple lines. The AI will instantly generate daily content ideas matched to each pillar. You'll get caption prompts, post angles, and even hook variations to test. Now that you've got ideas, move to execution. Use the Instagram captions, Facebook ads, or YouTube titles tools inside the app. Each tool is designed to generate scroll-stopping copy with a single click. You can personalize the tone and style to match your brand. Third, organize your posts into a calendar. Use Notion, Google Sheets, or a free scheduler like Metricool to map out what goes live each day. This lets you balance formats and platforms without guessing. Bonus tip: add 5 evergreen posts to your calendar every month. Use AI to repurpose past content or rewrite top posts so they keep working for you. This keeps your feed active even when you take a break. If this helped, check out the full playlist this video is part of. It's like a free AI-powered system to plan, write, and automate your content without burnout. Like this video if you want smarter ways to manage your content. Subscribe so you never miss the next tool breakdown or strategy tutorial. Comment below with your biggest struggle in planning content. I'll cover it in a future video. And if you're ready to build your next month of content today, try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com. Create smarter, post consistently, grow without burning out.